Hey guys, Kevin here, State & Co Truck Insurance. In today's video, we'll cover the cost of box truck insurance. Again, many factors impact the prices for box truck insurance. Depending where you're based, the state, the garaging location can make a big difference. I've seen prices as low as $5,000 per year for a box truck to as high as like $25,000, $30,000. And so the state, the garaging location, will make an impact. And then, new venture versus experienced owner operator. So if you're just getting into this business, expect to pay more versus if you've been, running for a couple of years and your DOT safety scores are clean, you have no violations, you'll expect to pay less. Your driving records for the past 3 years. So every insurance company is going to have a look back at your driving record. So any type of violations, at-fault accidents, would have a negative impact. And then most insurance companies these days, they do a soft credit inquiry, and without even having your social, they can pull and have a limited kind of scope view of your credit history. So anything that's over 700, that's considered a good credit score, so you can expect a little bit better premium. Versus, if you're in that 500 range, then yes, the premium is going to be higher, even if you have a good driving record. And then, of course, the value, the age of the equipment. So newer trucks versus older trucks, $80,000 physical damage versus 40,000 value, will be, the more expensive unit will be more expensive to insure. And today, just want to share an example of an existing policy. He's been in business 2 years, and this is going into his 3rd year. A box truck operator in North Carolina, and as you see, his renewal is coming up September 17th, so it's in within a few days. And so he's getting $888 discount. So it's a paid in full discount. Progressive is one of the few carriers that will give you a 15% paid in full discount. So for example, if you pay in installments and the price is $10,000, if you pay in full with 15% discount, that price would be $8,500. Again, depending on the total premium cost, some might be able to put in a credit card or just pay, from your savings. But, if you're able to do that, absolutely. Go ahead, pay in full. And then sometimes, people are hesitant. They say, well, what if I, win the lottery and decide to quit trucking? I mean, you can always cancel the policy. You just have to revoke your authority. And after you cancel your policy, you'll get prorated refund, and you're only going to be charged for the time you had your policy active. So Progressive is not going to keep your money. They'll issue a refund. And in this particular case, as you see, so you saw he's based in North Carolina, which is actually one of the cheaper states. Owner, which in this case, he's the driver as well. He's got clean driving record, no accidents, no violations, has good credit score. He also has no DOT violations for the past 2 years. So he's already been operating 2 years, and his MC number is clean. And that's a big one. That's where operators start seeing savings, and pretty substantial savings. So when we get to the next page, you can see that for $1 million commercial auto liability policy, his liability premium portion is only $3,058. And then he's got uninsured, underinsured motorist, that's $27.18, medical payments $30, comprehensive and collision, that's your physical damage, comprehensive, that if you hit a deer, hail damage, fire, theft, collision is your accidents collision. So that's $195, $485. It's got rental reimbursement. If the truck is in the shop because of the accident, he can rent another truck, and Progressive will pay for that truck for a set amount of time. He also carries 1 million, 2 million aggregate general liability, which is a coverage typically required by Amazon Relay program, which in this case, yes, he is in that program. But the one thing, and it's not an expensive coverage, only $323. And if you at some point stop delivering for Amazon, you can always cancel and remove that coverage. 100,000 cargo coverage, and that's only $630 per year. The commodities that he delivers, plastics, bottles, and on to the next page, the equipment he's operating, 2015 Freightliner, it's a 26-foot box truck, used one. The value is $25,750. That's his garaging zip code. The average mile radius is about 500 miles, so he's just within Carolinas. And his rental reimbursement is $150 per day, $4,500 maximum. And like I said, he already has a paid in full discount. He also had the ELD. I think he's, if I remember correctly, he's got the motive formerly known as Keep Trucking. So he's got that discount, which is 5%. So, between pay in full and the ELD discount, he's already got 20% discount. And as you see, per year, his policy is only $5,046, and that's for 12 months for a box truck. Again, it's North Carolina policy with all the same specifics and characteristics. In your home state, it might be completely different because insurance is state specific. So keep that in mind. And that's pretty much all I have for today. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.